Hi everyone, it's Amber and welcome to my YouTube channel, Amber Goodwin Art. Thanks for joining me today. And I am doing a mixed media piece on this 16-inch round canvas available at Michael's. I did a white pearl cell pour over this previously, but I didn't really like it. I felt like the white pearls just took over, and I decided to do a colored pearl cell pour instead. And I am using only two colors. So my first color is Tri-Art Fluids Rose Gold. It's super beautiful, and the rose gold does have untinted satin enamel mixed in it, which causes the pearl reaction. And my pour over color, which does not have any satin enamel, is Amsterdam Titanium White. And there's my consistency right there. And I will have the recipes of how I mixed both colors listed down below, as well as the colors and the brands that I used. And I get my Tri-Art and Amsterdam paints from fluid-art.co, so definitely go check them out. They have other brands as well, such as Behr and Atelier, and they also have the beautiful This Little Piggy pigments. And here I am just stretching out my base paint, the rose gold, which has the satin enamel, and I'm popping some bubbles. And now I will pour over my Amsterdam Titanium White. And for the pearl cell technique, you need to stretch as much as you can so that your pearls will form. Great pearl cell artists to watch are Sarah Taylor Modern Art, Dwight Myers from Dwight Pours, and Pieces of Terra Artistry. So definitely go check them out. They do some awesome work. And when I was creating this piece, I wanted to do something very minimal, and I wanted to add some texture paste flowers on this piece, and I wanted to keep it very, very feminine and minimal. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to stretch out as much as I can, and I will share a time lapse of how the pearls will form in the next clip, and I will be back with the wet results, and enjoy the process. Here are the wet results of my pearl cell pour. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. There is an area, however, where there was a lot of that titanium white pour over paint left over, but that is totally fine because I am going to cover it with my texture flowers. But yeah, overall, I'm super happy, and I really like the Tri-Art Rose Gold and how it dried. And here is the dried result. I did spray some Rust-Oleum gloss spray on this to seal it, because I find that when you seal your surface, it's easier to wipe off the texture paste or any dotting or blob art that you're not happy with. It's just easier to remove. And I will go along the edges when I am applying my flowers with the texture paste, and I kept this composition in mind that I did on this mirror a couple of weeks ago. I went around the edges and kind of left a huge negative space, and then I also added some blobs on this, or dots on this as well. And I am using Viva Decor structure paste. I got this off of Amazon. It's about $22 for this big jar, and it goes a long way. And it's a really great consistency, especially when you mix your acrylic paint, which I mixed some Creative Inspirations titanium white. I will have the link down below for the structure paste. And this is the palette knife that I will be using. I got this off of Amazon as well. Again, there are a bunch of palette knives out there as well. Liquitex has really good palette knives. They have them at Michael's, the Artist Loft brand. Fluid Art Co. has them. So it's really your choice, whatever fits your budget and your needs. And here I am just creating my flowers. They're 5 petals, and I'm gently applying pressure to the paste and immediately getting the palette knife away. So, and then I went back and did a double petal just to make the flower a little chunkier. I'm still practicing with these. They are fun to do, but they do require a lot of practice, and of course the consistency matters as well. And there are a lot of structure and texture pastes out there. It really depends on the look that you're going for. There is Golden that has modeling paste. Liquitex has them. You can also use heavy gel gloss mixed with heavy body acrylic paint. Gaffrey Art has really, really beautiful thick acrylic texture, acrylic paint that's just ready to use right out of the tube. So definitely check these brands out. And here is a close-up, and I'll let y'all enjoy the rest of the process. And here is the final dried result of my mixed media painting. I did add some dots on this, some white dots mixed with titanium white. And I'm overall happy with the composition and the colors, but I do feel like I need a lot of practice on the flowers. I'm not very happy with how I used my palette knife, so definitely need to practice on those. Here is another position. I kind of like it both ways, so the piece kind of can be hung any way you would like. But yeah, I'm overall pretty happy with the elegance of the piece. And I did a small practice piece. I think I used this little piggy Whitehaven on the flowers on that small one. And then, of course, there's my mirror right there. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate y'all joining me today. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to leave a comment in the comment area, and you can check out the description box as well if you missed any recipes or any colors. But again, thanks for joining me today, guys. Until next time, stay safe, stay classy, and stay awfully awesome, guys. I can't wait to see y'all in the next video.